Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
So a lot of people come to us when their home is kind of closed off, spaces are tight. When these folks came to us, they had a wall that was cramping things up, they had a small U-shaped kitchen, and they wanted us to help them make it better. There were quite a few challenges with this project. One of them was the entire wall that closed off the kitchen from the den, from the dining room, and just made it feel closed off. So we calculated and added a structural beam so that we could completely open up this space, and boy did it make a difference when you're able to look out into this area with all of these windows. We were able to build and frame a large walk-in pantry that gives them plenty of space for storage, and added built-in cabinets for their laundry so that it really ties into the rest of the space. One of the things that really made a difference here, this whole den area had a sunken floor with some old 1980s tile. We were able to remove all of that and shim up the floor so that it was one level, and then match their existing wood flooring so that it all tied in and looked like it had been here from the beginning. One of the prettiest and maybe most drastic changes in this space was adding this whole built-in area in their dining room. They've got all of this beautiful lighted glass cabinetry where they can display all of their china, all of their glassware. They've got a gorgeous hammered sink, the perfect place for their bar, and just look at all the storage that they've added. It really made a difference in this space. They really thought of all the details here. They've got this beautiful stone backsplash, which you don't see very often, but it made a really nice finish. They planned ahead and got 2 refrigerators because they do lots of entertaining at the lake and wanted to make sure they had plenty of space for all of their food and all of their drinks.